Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact WhatsApp support. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, select Settings and then tap on Help. After that, tap on Help Center. Inside the Help section, you will see several help topics. In the bottom right corner, you will see Contact Us. Just tap on it and hit Start Chat. Now you will need to describe the issue you are facing. Make sure to write your problem clearly so the WhatsApp team can understand and assist you better. After writing your message, you can also add screenshots if necessary by tapping on the paperclip icon. Once you have completed everything, tap on Send. This will send your message directly to the WhatsApp support team. You will soon receive a response from them. And that's it. Now you know how to contact WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.